Hello. I love making my own Christmas cards, particularly using watercolour, but I always seem to leave it until the last minute. So I've devised a quick and easy way to make a whole batch of cards, and I'd like to share that with you now. I'm going to start with a sheet of Fabriano paper, which is quite smooth. I'll put the details in the description below. And I'm using a wax crayon to draw with. I'm literally just doodling. By the way, that's my cat you can see at the top of the frame. Just thought I'd let you know. I'll use various coloured crayons and draw little sprigs of evergreen, some baubles, I don't know, a few red berries and whatever. I'll put some music on and speed it up a little bit at this stage. So now I've finished doodling with the wax crayons, it's time to add some paint. I've got a few colours mixed up here. There's a transparent turquoise, ultramarine blue and a rose pink. And I've got some other colours that you can't see just off camera. And I'm just using a brush just to brush the very wet paint right over the whole piece of paper. Where I'm brushing the paint over the wax crayoned lines, the wax resists the paint and shows through. And in some places I'm just painting round certain shapes like the little circles and berries. So I'm going to put some more music on and just let you see the progress of painting the whole area. So you can see I've covered the whole paper in paint now and just adding a finishing touch of a few spatterings of white gouache. I'm going to put this one aside for the paint to dry and do a second one on a slightly more textured paper. I'm using quite a lightweight paper because it's going to be stuck onto a Christmas card later anyway. So I'm using a stencil, again with the wax crayons. Because I'm using a white wax crayon on white paper, You won't be able to see the marks I'm drawing, but they will be revealed later once I add paint. Now it's time to start painting, and as before, I'm going to paint all over the surface with quite wet watercolour. Having painted the whole area with various shades of blue, while the paint is still wet, I can go in with a tissue and just blot off any bits of paint in areas where I want to reveal the white paper underneath. This means that when I apply other colours on top of these white patches, they won't be mixing with the blue paint and so will appear clearer. So I'm just adding a little bit more blue, and then I will paint the insides of the circles. So that's my second piece finished, and I'm going to put it aside to dry. And if you want to see how to make these into a batch of Christmas cards, then check out the second video in this little series. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.